Okay, students, in the case of binary file, if I want to read the data or write the data in binary file, this can be with the help of dictionary or with the help of a list. So here is one program in which I have write the data. I'm going to write the data in the file with the help of a list in place of dictionary. So look at here. I import one module that's called picker. Then I declare one function, create file. And after that, I open the file in writing mode. WB means writing in binary. And name of the file in which I will write the data is book1.dat. I enter three parameters, three variables, book number, B name, A, and P. So after getting input from the keyboard, I create a list and then I write the list in the file. So Ishpreet, is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the same way, we can also read the data from the file and save in a list in place of a dictionary. Note down this program. So this is your choice whether to use list or whether to use dictionary. Aditya, is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I will enter 2 or 3 records and then we will make a program in which we will read the data with the help of list. So I'm going to run this. One data I have already entered. Next record 102. Name of the book is Computer Science. Author Sumita Arora. Price of the book is 400. One record. End. Now I want to read the records. So this program is for reading, but reading is with the help of a dictionary, not with the help of list. So I am going to change this program. So I will import pickle. Then I will use a list. Here is book. I open the file. File name is, I'm checking, file name is, it is book1.dat. So I'm copying this. This is in a reading mode. And again, try while true. Here is book is equal to pickle.load. And then I will display book. So I am running this program. So look at here, 102 and Sumita Arora. But I have entered 2 records there. I'm just checking.
तो सर वो वन नहीं और शो करेगा बिकॉज़ सर वो हमने मोड राइटिंग मोड लिया था वो डाटा.
Okay, yes, good observation. So here we should give here AB. Sorry, here in the previous program we should give AB. Okay, beta. So note down this program. Now after that I will discuss how you can search it. Okay, first note down this. I think in with the help of a list, the program is a little bit easy. Ishpreet, is it better?
यस सर, सर लिस्ट में इजी है।
Pawan, any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to change this program. Change this program, and now we will search the record. Okay. So when we will read the record, here we will set one condition. Suppose we are getting a rule number, a book number, int input, enter book number to be searched. So now here is a difference. Here you will have to find कि जो आपने बुक नंबर इंसर्ट की थी वो किस लोकेशन के ऊपर है. So you will have to find out. So we know that we enter 4 values. Okay, and in these 4 values, first we enter book number, then book name, then author, then enterprise. So location is book number, location is 0, name is 1, A is in the 2, and the price is in the 4th. So we must know the sequence of entering the data. So book number is in a 0 location. If value of 0 location is double equal to B, the data entered by you. In that case, I want to display the data, otherwise I will not display. I am running this program. Enter the record number 45. Here is, wait, I'm just checking. Mode is reading mode. Record number 45. So 45 is not here. Okay, that's why I'm running this again and searching record number 102. Not here. Again, I'm running this program 101. Yes, Tanvi, there is any doubt, beta? If there is any doubt, you can put the question, beta. Unmuted yourself. Yes, bache? Tanveer, any doubt?
एक्सक्यूज मी सर, वो दूसरी कोई और फेक आईडी है मेरे ख्याल से.
Okay, beta. Tanveer, okay now? Okay. Now, Here I'm continuing with my program. Data is not here. I'm checking. Data is not here. So look at here. This is searching. Any doubt in this? Kshitij?
No, sir.
So this is all about your file handling, and there is a one topic that we will cover after PT1 in the extra classes. After PT1, we will discuss comma separated value file, CSV file. That will be the last topic of file handling. So here we have discussed text file and binary file. Okay, students. Now I am in a summarized form. I am explaining this chapter again so that if there is any doubt, you can I can solve your queries. Manvi Avatar, yes.
सेंटर करके फिर सर पुट
Manvi, your voice is so slow, beta. Yes, Manvi, send your message in case there is any doubt. Then Avi, any doubt at all?
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Good morning. Beta.
सर इसकी कोडिंग दिखा दो।
Yes, sir. Look at here.